Welcome to the Weekly Spanish Review. This is for Mr. Jones's class, Spanish 1. This is the first week of the second quarter. This week we got into family vocabulary. As you can see on the list here, I'll go down through a few and the pronunciation. So we've got la familia, los parientes, la madre, el hermano, el tío, el primo, sobrino, mascota, gato, menor, mayor, cariñoso, el pelo castaño, los ojos castaños. Like I've told you many times in class and also in Google Classroom and on these videos, it's important to look at your list 5 minutes a night. That way we can memorize the vocab. You're always going to have the Spanish and English translations next to each other so you can practice for class. One thing we've also looked at this week is possessive adjectives. We've learned mi and mis is my. So if you want to say my parents, it would be mis padres. Tu and tus is your. Remember, we use tu for singular and tus for plural. Like if you want to talk about your cousins, we'd say tus primos. If you just wanted to talk about one cousin, your cousin, you would say tu primo. We learned that su and sus is his, her, or their. And then nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras is all our. And it depends on masculine and feminine and singular or plural. Like in this one, when I say our dog, perro is masculine, it ends in an O. So it would be nuestro perro. If it was plural, it could be our dogs, nuestros perros. If it was a female dog, it would be perra, nuestra perra. And finally, the last thing we're going to look at is tener, the verb to have. We've practiced this week yo tengo, which means I have. You could say I have a big family. Yo tengo una familia grande. You could talk about your siblings. Yo tengo dos hermanos. Tú tienes, for you have. Él, ella, usted tiene. Nosotros tenemos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. A few more examples with tener. You could say, I have a cat. Yo tengo un gato. She has 7 classes. Ella tiene 7 clases. We have pets. Nosotros tenemos mascotas. So make sure you're checking your vocabulary every night. Make sure you're looking at possessive adjectives like mi, tu, su, mis, tus, sus, nuestros. And also tener, to have, and those conjugations. Continue looking at family vocab, tener, possessive, and also we're going to get into house vocabulary, la casa.